Hey, good morning, fellas. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Am I live? Hey, NEMAC, good morning. EMAC, good morning. NP, least estimator. Nilson, Clarity, good morning, fellas. Alan Sutton, good morning. How we doing, fellas? We are live. All right, let's get everything set up. All right. Kai, good morning. Bobby, good morning. Okay. Oh, man. I'm ready. I'm ready for a good day. All right, let me. All right, I think we got everything set up, ready to roll. Tripod, good morning. All right, let's look at what the pre-market overnight session did. So it looks like we had a low of 507, which actually came in the overnight or in the aftermarket hours yesterday. Then we just ripped higher, had a pretty good move here in the overnight session to the upside. The high of the session in the overnight was 619. Now we've pulled all the way back to the 555s. HD trailers, good morning. So what do we think is going to happen? 2 hour or the 4 hour charts looking, I mean, it's still looking bullish. We're still in this sideways range since basically in the last month. Like the last month, we've basically been kind of going sideways. 1 hour chart, anywhere from the 1850s to the 18650s. It's about a 600 point range that we're trading in the last month. Daily charts looking like this. I don't know what to think. Kind of thought we were going to be in for a little bit more of a pullback here. But who knows? We might just rip. Market only goes up. The market only goes higher. That's one thing we have learned. So, I guess we will trade accordingly. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, SPVC. Hope you all had a great day yesterday. I had such a crazy day yesterday. I'm actually sore. I did not get to do a recap video. I will try to do, I'll just have to combine it all into one tonight. But I was so busy It was such a nice day yesterday, and the contractors were here, and they were finishing up. And when I got back from my meeting, I literally worked outside the rest of the night until dark. Just to get everything, basically, because we knew we were going to get rain today, and we are. So I wanted to make sure everything is ready and reseeded and everything is ready for rain. So we'll see. I'm actually sore today from working so hard yesterday afternoon. I'm not sure if that's a bad sign or not. Probably a sign that I don't work enough. But it's okay. All right, this market kind of selling off. We had news at 8:30. So looks like the news at 8:30 kind of sold off from that. Now we'll see. Now we'll just have to wait and see what we do here. Market opening in 8 minutes. Hey, Patrick, Patrick, good morning. Good morning. Write me up some early morning loyalty points, K-Trader. Let's go. Hey, Zap, good morning to you as well. I should make a way. I'm not sure how to do it, but I think there's a way that you guys can check your loyalty points, like how many you have, or how much you have and what your rank is. I should make... It's got to be a way to do that. Boy. I don't know how. Mod tools. Anyway. Hey, wait. Wait, how did you do that? Oh, you just did points? That's awesome. You guys figured it out all on your own. Let's go. You guys are so smart, okay? I don't, you guys are just very, very smart people. So if you do exclamation mark points, that will show how many loyalty points you have. And if you don't know, the way that you get loyalty points is through watch time. Here, let me just look. Okay, so yeah, loyalty system. So for every 5 minutes you watch, you get 1 loyalty point. If you subscribe, you automatically get 50. So that actually might be a little bit too high. Everyone's going to check their loyalty points now. You have 7. JMB never sleeps. You have 58, 31. Uh-oh. Someone only has 1 point. Awkward. 16, 23. Peter Schapp, 52. Just so you guys know, the number one The person that is number 1 has 165 loyalty points. And that's our good friend Design Knob. Sweeto, you have 0 points. That's unfortunate. But I'm also not quite sure, like, does it reset at some point? Yeah, where is Design? Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning, how we doing? Here, you know what I need to do? I've been meaning to do this, and I keep forgetting for some reason. No longer. We shall do this now. No longer. We shall do this now. Yeah, Black Coffee. You're not that far behind him. Yeah, Black Coffee. You're not that far behind him. Trader J, 58 points. If you have 58 or 59 points, you're on the first page. Trader J, 58 points. Good morning, Eddie Rob. It must reset because I should have way more points than that. Yeah, I'm kind of curious. I want to keep track of it now and see if... Yeah, I'm kind of curious. Like, I want to see if it resets. Now, I do know when we do giveaways that you spend some points for the giveaways. Actually, no, you don't. You used to, but you don't anymore. Oh, you're hearing an echo. I'm sorry. Thanks for reminding me. Echo should be gone. Is that better? Yeah, I forgot I had my other sound turned on. Hey, Dario Trader, you didn't win nothing. You have 24 loyalty points. That's it. That's all. Everyone's checking their loyalty points. That's funny. Okay, it's gone now. Thank you. Thanks for reminding me. So I'm going to check. I want you guys to keep track as well, like, of your loyalty points and see if it does reset. Because I feel like it does, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure why or how, so I need to figure that out. Yeah, it's like you're trading. You know what's crazy, guys? I could turn it on so that you guys can actually use your loyalty points to predict the market direction or whatever. Like, I could set it up where there's like a basically you vote and then you decide how many loyalty points you want to risk, and then if you win, you gain loyalty points through that. Hey, you're welcome, Black Coffee. Finally, I added you as a mod. I've been meaning to do it for a long time and I keep forgetting. Or I kept forgetting. All right, market. We are about to be open for business. And we are ripping higher, or ripping lower. And higher, I guess both. All right, boys. Oh, a little bit of a violent open here. A little bit more so than in the past, maybe. Man, my throat is still not normal. It's feeling a little bit heavy here. All right, let me change this. Hey, good luck, everybody. Trade safe. Oh, and now we're ripping higher. Hold on, folks. This is a little bit. The last couple days, it felt like the open was pretty mild. Today's open a little bit more volatility than what we had been seeing. At least I think it is. And we do have news in half an hour. Thank you, Stephen. PK, yeah. See, some of you guys show that you only have 2 points. I don't know how that doesn't seem right. All right, market, what's the plan? It's kind of faking out both directions here. Man, it's really windy. I can hear the wind howling from here. I'm really, really glad that I have all the grass seed is put down, everything, and we are ready for the rain. Get the grass back and get the grass growing. Consumer confidence at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Hey, Lonnie Huff, your news. So near the bottom goal of first page, top 10. All right, Lonnie Huff, let's go. I wish you luck. I wish you much luck. Okay, this market is going to go higher, huh? I guess so. See if we get through the 90s here. Get above the 90s, get above the 600s. See what we can get going here. All right, through the 90s, up to the 95s. Seen a nice move higher here. And now pull them back. Okay. Pull back to the 80s. I don't know. Let's see. I have no idea what to expect from this market, if I'm just being honest. I mean, I could easily see this thing rip higher today, just make new all-time highs. Like right here, just whoosh. I don't know. It's just nothing would surprise me. With NQ, there's nothing that surprises me anymore. I do wish, so yesterday's session here, man, we did have a really nice grind higher day until, what was it, about 2:30, 3 o'clock? But obviously did not capitalize on that. But hey, you're gonna trade 80 contracts today live, Lorello. There's no shot you're trading 80 contracts with real money, so I'm not sure quite what you're doing, but hey. I guess be safe. No Apex to hit the bank account yet? Nope. Usually after the email, it usually goes 3 business days, I've noticed. So 3 business days would be tomorrow. So we'll wait and see. Hey, JW. Good morning. You're a lemming. How do you check my loyalty? So exclamation mark points, and it'll show you how many loyalty points you have. Sharuz, good morning. Good morning. Everyone's been checking. That's what everyone's been doing so far today. If Apex has a sale going on tomorrow, I'm going to start trading live and making videos. If not, take profit trader. Take JW. You have 52 points. Let's go. That's top of the leaderboard. Not top, but it should be first page. Oh, Sharuz has 59 points. Man, we're flexing on here. Apex 90% Easter sale would be beautiful. I agree. Couldn't agree more. Couldn't agree more. If Apex does another 90% sale, I will probably grab more evals. I'll probably grab another 10 evals or so. Why not? You know, one thing I have to do, I don't know why this is. It's like, I'm not trading. I mean, I'm trading this account here, which is an account that I've already gotten a payout from. But for some reason, I'm not trading my other evals that have gotten a payout already. They're just sitting here, which isn't good. I really need to be trading them. I really should be trading these accounts. I don't think I've even traded them since no, I have. I've traded them once. One time. Paras has 50 points. Nice. Orlando Mendoza. Now there's a flex. 85 points. Woo! He just flexed on all of you guys. Oh, man. That's awesome, though. I really do like the loyalty points. I want to keep track of it, or I want you guys to keep track of it and make sure that I want to just make sure that you're not losing loyalty points or that it's resetting or anything like that. Your social feeds are now full of prop firm ads. I'm sorry, Lonnie. I know the feeling. It is very annoying. Very annoying. That's what I still get them. So, yeah, I feel your pain. It's a very annoying thing. Jay. Hey, remember, you guys chatting like doesn't in order to gain loyalty points. So here's how it works. According to, I did some research. So the way that loyalty points work is when you come onto stream, it's like as soon as you come onto stream, you should chat something. Like just say good morning or whatever. Like Sarith, good morning. As soon as you chat something, then it will register with YouTube that you are watching. If you just join and never chat, like if you join and never chat for the first hour, then it doesn't register that you're watching. But as soon as you chat one time, it registers that you're watching. And as long as you watch, you will accumulate the loyalty points. So according to some research that I did, that's how it works. All right, we're still seeing some pretty good volatility here. Definitely not going to be taking any trades until probably 10:15, 10:30. Because we do have news, high impact news at 10 o'clock as well. So just, yeah, be careful. Be careful with that, guys. Can I give away points in the giveaways? Yeah, you could. I guess I could, yeah. That's why you only have 2, Skeletor. You never chat. Yeah, I feel kind of bad because, or I wanted to make people aware of that. Like as soon as if you just chat one time, then it'll accumulate your points. But if you never chat, then I guess for some reason something with YouTube, it doesn't register that you're watching, I guess, according to that. I don't know. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird because on Twitch, it says then, like Twitch, it does register even if you're not chatting. But for some reason, on YouTube, it doesn't. Hey, let's go. Does it check the whole history? No. So Troop Candy, so I just turned on the loyalty points like 2 weeks ago. Actually, not even 2 weeks ago. Probably a week ago. So we've only been doing the loyalty points for about a week. So if you just joined, you're definitely not too late. Right now, Design Knob is in first place with the loyalty points, but he's not even here yet today. So, hey, you guys are gaining on him. Every minute he doesn't show up, you guys gain on him. All right, market. This is just a nice, healthy pullback, and we're going to go higher now? Or what is the plan? Looks like we're ripping. Straight back up. Okay, right here at the 85s again. Let's see if we get through the 90s and then make new highs. We need to get above the 95s in order to make new highs on the day. Nice move higher right here, right off of the open. Hey, Gary Moore, you're up 408 already? Let's go. If you stream on 2 devices, will it double your points? I don't know how that works. Do you think if somebody kills you and let's, I don't know that I like, maybe we keep the comments to at least like PG-13. Lorello, that's, oh man. Hey, good morning, John. And look at that. Design Knob is back. Well, I think you guys gained a couple points on him, you know. Hey, good morning, John. Good morning, Design. Ponzi, good morning. Hey, you never chat, but one thing you do is hit the like button. See, Skeletor, I like you. I like you. You're my kind of guy. You know what? I should be able to make something like, I should be able to somehow make it. If you hit the like button you automatically get 5 loyalty points. I'm going to look into that. Hey, Nico Trades. Good morning. Good morning. Sarith, good morning. Actually, everything I already said, but good morning again. Paint Bar Trading, good morning. Okay, we're kind of struggling to get above the 90s here. Yeah, like for points. So design, or John, you weren't here earlier, but if you want to check how many loyalty points you have, you just do exclamation mark points, and it'll tell you how many loyalty points you have. Hit the like button with it to win a date with Patrick Wieland. That is fake news. That is definitely fake news. Yeah, the VWAP right now is the 575s is where I have it. 21. Oh, QQ with the 57 points. Oh, wow. Let's go. It's impressive. Oh, John with the 79 points. Yep, nice. Hey, Sin City Futures. Good morning. Good morning. All right, let's wait. Is this thing going to roll over now? We failed to make new highs. Please, let's not trade in this range the rest, for the next hour and a half, 2 hours, please. Also, we do have news in 12 minutes. News in 12 minutes, so be aware of that. You have 3. I haven't seen Design. Design hasn't checked how many points he has he? Let's go, Skeletor. You now have 3. Let's go. How does the 1-day pass eval account during this promotion? If you don't pass before the 20th, then you have to trade for 7 days. Yes. Yeah, it's not about when you buy your eval. It's about the promotional period is what matters. So you have to pass your eval before 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. So also just FYI, people, the 80% pass 1-day promotion, that is ending tomorrow at 5 o'clock p.m. So just be aware of that. Hey, Marty, good morning. Wait, Design has 166 points. You know what? I need to go in and maybe just edit that and maybe remove like 100 points. I just don't want anyone to be like getting too big of a head in my chat. And I feel like Design, I don't want him being too flexy on people. Maybe I need to remove some points. What do you think, Design? Daddy is on the mountaintop. See, that's kind of what I'm talking about. We need chat to be humble. I knew this was going to be a problem. Knock him back to average. I'll let you go for now. Ooh, you know what we should do, folks? Maybe from now on, if someone gets unruly, starts misbehaving, instead of banning them, I'll take away all your loyalty points. Ooh. Yikes. And we are rolling over. I just don't want to trade in this range. Hopefully the news will break this out and we can... I just want the market to pick a direction and just keep going in that direction. Even if it's lower, as much as I don't want it to be lower, if it's lower, I'm okay with it. But I just don't want this to chop sideways. He'll be back to 30 by tomorrow. True. Oh. Don't want to lose your 2 points. Oh, that's funny. Rad Poker. Ooh, wait a minute. How many points does Rad Poker have? 90. Woo! You got some big boys here, I guess. Nice. Matty Matt, good morning. No trading today for me. You got a $400 winner last night. Let's go. Nicely done. This thing is kind of starting to keep rolling over. If you can't read chat, then you can't check. Ooh, let's see how many points Matty Matt has. Matty Matt should have a decent... I'm going to guess around 60. 70 maybe? Whoa! Excuse me. 92 points. Matty Matt. Nice. Nicely done. This whole loyalty points is really kind of taken on a whole course of its own. You know what? You know what's funny is you can't even really do anything with your loyalty points, but everybody wants to have a lot. It's kind of cool. I wonder how many loyalty points I have. Hang on, let me type in chat. See what it says. See what it says for me. Hey, Carolina. Wait, do I need to do lowercase? Wait, okay. Okay, really? That is not even cool. All right, that is we need, hang on. This is not cool. I only have 7 points and I'm the streamer. Really, YouTube? Like, I have never felt more disrespected in my entire life. Ever. That's uncalled for, YouTube. Uncalled for. I cannot believe it. Can you talk to Daryl to see how we can use our loyalty points towards new evals? No, but you know why I only have 7 points? Because I almost never type in the chat. Like, I almost never type in the chat, actually. And if you don't type in the chat, it doesn't recognize that you're viewing, that you're a viewer. So you have to type in the chat at least when you, like, when you first come on and start watching, you have to type in the chat, and then it'll start registering that you're watching. And then also, if you leave and then come back, type something in the chat, and then it'll recognize that you are back watching. It's kind of weird. Hey, good morning, Esther. Oh, we're just going back and forth on our loyalty points. It's kind of funny. You can check your loyalty points by typing !points. And I did it, and I only have 7 points. Oh, man, this is rough. So from now on, first thing I do when I start stream, I'm going to type in the chat from now on. This is not okay. I'm going to catch design. Also, I think I can just give me points too. So maybe I do that. Interesting. Interesting thought. Hey, we have news in 2 minutes, fellas. Hey, Nimble Grow, Terrence Hines. News in 2 minutes. Joe Pike, 19 points. Let's go. Esther with 65 points. That is impressive. Impressive indeed. Hey, I'm doing great, Nimble Grow. We're doing great. We're chilling. We are going higher, folks. Let's see what this news does. See if we can get above the 95s, get above the 600s. Oh, that's okay. You're Harshal. Okay, good to see. Good to know, Nimble Grow Trading. Good to know. If you guys change your if you change your names, you have to let me know like who you were in the past. All right, let's see if we get above the 90s. We still have not. The news is in 40 seconds, so JW, I know, right? I cannot see when you change your name. I just don't know you then. You're just like, I never knew you. All right, news in 15 seconds. Hang on, I just heard something. All right, we're all good. For a second there, I thought something bad was happening. And the news comes out and the market doesn't even move. Nice. Nice one, market. Man, this thing is... Come on, we got to get above the 95s and keep going here. Hey, there we go. I was not minding my business. Above the 600s. That's what we were looking for. Let's get out of this range. And now maybe we can look at... Wants to keep going higher. We like it. Troop Candy, nice try. Almost like it only goes up. Yeah, it's weird. Rumor has it. Okay, pull them back here. No, it's still pretty volatile right now. Oh, there's just not much to do here. We are at least above this 15-minute opening range. At least we're above that. Now we just need to see if we keep going. Oh no, Marty. Yeah, Marty, that's what I was wondering. Do you never chat? I don't remember seeing you before. That's the unfortunate thing. You got to at least chat once a day. As soon as you get on stream, just chat. Just say hi. And then you'll start accumulating points. I might do something with points eventually, like down the road. If you accumulate a certain amount of points, like, you know, I'll do like, I don't know. I don't want to say now, but maybe you get a free eval or something like that. That would be kind of cool. Hey, Eva, how we doing? Okay, above the 605s, new highs on the day. Again, the highs of the overnight session is 619. So obviously that's going to be important. The 612, this area here is also pretty, got some resistance here. So let's see what happens. Glad your red light cast is gone. What? I'm not sure what you mean. Red light cast. What? Hey, good luck, Esther. You went along? You should be doing okay. Of course, that can change in 2 seconds on NQ. Whenever I watch my podcast, I don't know who you feel like you have me confused with someone else. I've never done a podcast. You might have me confused with someone else. I don't know. But I've never done a podcast that I've done. Oh, this is tempting to just... Okay, pulling back now a little bit. This is risky. This is very risky. But I'm basically making a move here based off of this opening range. All right. Good trade. I pulled the trigger and it worked. We bounced hard right off of that 95. That's what I was looking for. We bounced like really hard. Okay, let's see if we make new highs right here. Maybe not. Doesn't want to do it. Hey, Kid Poker. Good morning to you. How's it going? How's it been going, Kid Poker? Hope you're doing okay. I know you had a rough week last week, but keep your head up. Keep your head up, and hope you're doing all right. Future trading. I don't think the market is open on Friday. No, I don't think so. Nice, Orlando. That's awesome. Well, we bounced hard right off of that 95, but now pulling right back down. Again, we failed to make new highs, so could be in for a little deeper pullback here. Maybe we pull back to this 85 range. Just wait and see. It's tempting here. Just could have scalped this 95 range here a couple times now. All right, let's try it. No. I don't want to see that. Don't want to see that. Now I got to be patient. I chased that a little bit, and we got problems. Oh, Nikes. Okay. Below the 80s. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna have to... What was that, Phil? Oh, okay then. That was a terrible fill. I closed it right here. Filled me here. Nice. Oh, that's so frustrating. Should have been more patient. Man, I hate when it does that. Just these huge red boner candles. No mercy. And of course, now it's just gonna rip right back up. What is this? Really? Really? You little... That is actually BS. So annoying. So annoying. I mean, what is this? Like, I just don't get it. I don't get it. Was there news? Like, what is this? Typical NQ. It's just NQ being NQ. Doesn't mean I like it. I cannot believe what I'm seeing. It's just hard to trade when the market's doing this. This thing. I'm actually pissed. Yeah, you might be right, design. I see it. Yeah, that's no, trust me, that okay, there this is like irritating me for multiple reasons. Multiple reasons, but primarily the fill here was so terrible. I mean, it could not have been worse. I'm just, that's such bull crap. Should have held. That's the second day in a row now where I mean, I don't know. I don't really mind getting out, but it's like my original stop was right here at the 65s, or that's where my like max loss of the day is set. Now, I don't always let it go to that, but oh, it's just such. Ooh, I might need to do a workout today. We might need to do a workout. I'm feeling very. This is where I need a punching bag. If I would trade exactly like I want to trade right now, I would be going like 3 contracts short right now. That is like, that would be a very standard revenge trade, but I'm telling you, don't tell me to do it because I might do it. Yeah, black coffee. That's the thing. Like we get these. This is from the 596 to the 572s. That's a 15-point red candle. Like, that's a bigger candle than we've had even at the open. I don't get it. Like, this is at 10 o'clock, 10:12, and now you decide to have a 15-point candle. Even in the 2-minute, even in the opening, we didn't have that big of a move in any candle. Like, it's just that it's such BS. Like, what is going on? What? Like, it literally shook out the longs. And it really ticks me off that I fell for it. Urgh. This is where I'm just convinced. I know it's not true, but don't tell me. I'm convinced there's market makers watching my stream and they're pushing the buttons. They're like, oh, really? He got long? Let's tank this thing for 15 points. Boom. They're like, oh, is he out? Yep, he's out. Whoosh, right back up. Oh, yeah. One of these days, I'm going to prove that's right. I'm going to prove that that is true. And I'm going to sue them for like $2 billion. It's going to be like a $200,000 sue for liable damages, but then there's going to be like a $2 billion lawsuit for my pain and suffering. Okay? That's how much pain and emotional damage that it's caused me. And that's being generous. Maybe I would settle for $1 billion, maybe. Depending if I'm in a good mood that day. What's the average NQ candle size? I don't know. I mean, right here was from the 50s to this. Actually, this was a 25-point candle. I can't do math, but I don't know. I feel like it's definitely not that high, especially with at 10 o'clock. Like, that's what's insane. It's not like it's 9:30. It's not like news is coming out right now. I don't get it. The trick is to not prove, but your followers will believe you anyway. Then you sell, and the follower lots of make you. Yeah, right, JW. I don't think that's gonna work. Hey, look. If I would have shorted my 2 contracts here, I'd have about $2 million right now. See? Now I'm really on tilt. Hey, you got it. Black coffee. That makes me feel better. Just such a BS. It's such BS. Oh, you did, Trader JX? You receive your payouts today? Okay, now I'm going to check my bank account again. I checked it early this morning. I didn't see it, but I'm assuming I'm going to get it probably tomorrow. Nope. Yeah, it'll probably be. I'll probably get it tomorrow. Is kind of what I'm assuming. $18,540 was looking to short. 18,540 is where NQ will end up today. Mark my words, he says. Famous last words. Trader JX, trust me, you don't have to worry about that. Okay. All right. Do we have a fresh mindset now? I am just honestly, oh. It's so frustrating. All right, we doing this, and if it rips, I'm gonna delete everything. Everything. We're just gonna delete everything. I'm not even sure where I'll start, but really market. Yep, it's gonna be that kind of day. Okay. How much drawdown do I have left here? This is not cool. We might be at a point of no return here, folks. I should have had. It's going down, not up. Galaxy Trader, go fly a kite and go stub your toe somewhere, okay? I really don't care what you say, all right? We're in it. It's going to either take us out here. I'm not going to close it because it's not worth it. I only have like basically right around here is where we're going to end up being liquidated. We don't have that much drawdown left here. It is what it is. Tell us how you really, that's how exactly how I feel. Yeah, Galaxy Trader, you make one more move, you say one more thing, and you'll never be seen of again. You'll be liquidated. Okay? Yeah, this ain't good, folks. Ah, so frustrating. And we're probably, I can't believe we got about a tick, 2 more ticks and we're done. Like right here is going to be, we're going to get liquidated right around the 70s. We had $30 of, or we had $15 of drawdown left right here. So 3 ticks from liquidation. Just go ahead. I'm ready for it. Just go ahead, bring it on. I've embraced it. What a frustrating day. And that's it. It is what it is. Ay. Okay, now in a perfect situation here, we'd see about a 30-40 point rip right here. That would really put the icing on the top. Kind of really make this a kind of perfect holistic day. Unbelievable. It's fine. I mean, I'm not that I'm more upset about this trade than I am about this trade. But holy shnikes, what the Sam Hill is going on here? You know what? You know what, market? Do your thing. Do it. Go ahead. You just do whatever you want. Tread carefully, Galaxy Trader. Tread very carefully. I'm just begging someone to say the wrong thing. I really want to ban someone right now, okay? Really need to. Someone needs to get banned. Someone just might be sacrificed, so be very careful. Be on your best behavior. I'll take out my anger on chat, okay? Yeah, thankfully it actually just ripped lower, so I feel, a little better. The ban hammer is ready and waiting. I mean, we are just waiting. That was just ugly. We still got, I mean, this is an account that we already got a payout from. I don't know. I'm not that upset. It's just, I'm just more frustrated with how it happened. Like, it really gets my attention. Yes, 2-minute chart is up. 2-minute chart is primarily that's what I trade off of. Whoops, I was muted. Yeah, exactly. Galaxy traders. What's weird is I don't remember anyone ever asking, hey, Galaxy trader, can you please help us? Please tell us what to do. I don't remember anyone ever saying that. Okay? So don't like pretend like we're here just waiting until Galaxy Trader comes into chat so all us poor-minded people know what to do next. The Asian range is right here. I mean, we're still a ways away from like the lows of the 520s. We got the 520s and then we got the 510s and obviously the 500s. That's all going to be, I mean, obviously this is NQ. So the chance we're going to see a reversal is probably pretty high, but it's, you know, I don't know. Are markets open Friday? No, they are not. Well, now we're left with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we only have 6 accounts left that we've taken a payout. Feels bad. Maybe we won't even get another payout from any of them. The way it's kind of looking, that might be the case. Just cannot seem to get anything going. All right, maybe we get a bounce here. Do I want to trade another account? I don't know that I want to. Yeah, Traders Chick. Hey, good morning, Traders Chick. I need someone in here that with I'm about to go off the rails. Okay. It might be time to call it a day. That's a pullback? Yeah, you might be right. I agree. Oh! No, Matt. This account here this is one that I've already taken a payout. So my drawdown on this account was 50,100, which means she gone. Moment of silence for this account. She did good though. We got a payout, so she will have a very, very celebratory burial, so to speak. She'll be celebrated. You're a young chick, but an older woman. Oh, for the other 6 accounts? Yes. Okay, got it, Matt. Got it. Other than canceling account, do I need to do anything else in order to avoid getting billed again? Yeah, it'll automatically be canceled, Mertz. If you have a funded, are you talking about a funded account? Yeah. So a funded account, if you blow it, it'll automatically get canceled and you'll never see that account again. It disappears into the ether. You think we see a new Monkey Man video? And I don't know. I haven't really watched Monkey Man. I mean, I kind of like it. The last video he did, not a fan. He took it way too far. It wasn't even, I don't even, like, he needs to, like, keep it at least PG-13. Like, he went, like, way, woof. You're done for the day, Galaxy Trader. Good luck. All right, have a good one. please, I'm going to, just to make sure that you actually leave, I'm going to put you in timeout for 24 hours just so you're gone. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, Wanderer. Yeah, we definitely got destroyed. Now we're doing a little fake out, and of course NQ, you know, can't do it. NQ just can't help itself. Got to do a V-shaped reversal. Here we go. Oh man, my arm hurts. Oh man, I'm trying to debate if I should. I know I should just not keep trading at all. It's just so frustrating. I could switch to micros. I'm trying to debate if I call it here. Here's the problem. Not a problem. It's not a problem, but we have 6 accounts remaining with, you know, only that, you know, $500 drawdown. I could just try to trade those. And I feel like if I do, we could easily lose a couple more accounts. And then I'm like, okay, do I really care if I lose those accounts? I'm not sure that I really, I mean, kind of would. Or do we just call it, come back tomorrow? I don't know. The other thing is I kind of want to get these accounts traded just so the traded days start adding up in case we do make some progress. Or actually, maybe I should buy a 300K eval account, trade max contracts, just, I don't know, just to get some revenge trades in on an eval. Sometimes I do that. I'm not even joking. For $30, I will revenge trade an eval. Just, it's at least an eval, and it didn't cost that much, and I might feel better. And then I can move about my day. What is the minimum trading days for a PA account? 10 days. 10 days. You have to trade a funded account 10 days before you can request a payout. Is that what you're doing, Isaiah? Don't trade the PA. Yeah, I mean, I know. That's kind of where I'm at is I know I should just leave the PAs. And it's I'm having a pretty good day on the other, like, I currently have traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've traded 5 of the PAs. Doing okay. So if I stop now, it's still overall an okay day. If I continue and this murder continues and this bloodbath continues, that's where I would definitely then be looking back at this exact moment in time. And I'd be like, you should have ended trading for the day. And I didn't. So we all been there. I've been there. All right. Here's what we're doing. I am shutting off my trading for the day. Shoot. You know what? This is going to take a little bit of time because I have to do it per account. Just give me a second here, guys. Actually, you know what? If I do an eval, though, it's kind of dumb. It's kind of dumb not to just do a 50K account. Because if I pass a 150K account, do I really want a 150K account? I'm not sure I do. Actually, you know what I might do? Well, first we got to purchase some evals. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. That's what she said, Mom. Here's what we're going to do. I don't really want 150K accounts right at the moment. I think they're okay, but I would rather have 50K accounts. Here's what we're going to do. I've been meaning and I've been wanting to test out the trade copier that comes with my affordable indicators dashboard. I've been wanting to test that out for quite some time anyway. So I'm going to buy 3. We're going to do 3 50K account evals, and we're going to copy trade all 3 of them, and we're going to try and pass them today. All right. If we blow all 3 of them, so be it. It's just part of the... Let's just look at it this way. Blowing 3 evals is better than me keep trading funded accounts and blowing 3 or 4 funded accounts. Because that was the route. That was the path we were on. Now we've turned around, and now we're going the path of let's just trade evals. It's all good. So I went first and foremost, everyone to acknowledge that no one's going to freak out. If we blow 3 50K accounts, I need everyone to stay calm. Okay? I don't need you guys losing your ever-loving mind. It's going to be fine. All right? Now, give me a second. We got to buy. You know, I really don't. I'm trying not to buy as many 50Ks, but here we go. All right. Here we go. Why Apex doesn't allow you to buy multiple evals at one time? Beyond me. Like that has to be one of the more annoying things with Apex, that you have to buy each eval individually. Hey, Trader JX, you always use my code. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Even though I give you a hard time sometimes, maybe, and I'm a little bit trigger happy on the ban hammer sometimes. You guys really are awesome. You know, sometimes I just need to ban someone and it makes me feel better. That's probably a little weird, but it is what it is. Eval accounts 550. You hate to see it. All right. Market, could you please calm down? I don't know how long it's going to take to get these accounts up and running. Let's just, usually it doesn't take that long. Oh, I guess you guys are just watching me. Hang on. Here we go. What? Excuse me. Hey, Tushia, thank you. Appreciate that. You have a video in my background. What? I have a video in my background. What do you mean? I have a video in my background. Where? Hey, David Hawkins subbed an hour ago. Thank you. Appreciate that. There was a head and shoulders on the raise. Oh. All right. Okay. Are the accounts set up? Your account is being activated. It doesn't look like it's activated yet. Man, I'm going to have to make a decision if we're going to ride. If this thing is going to keep going lower. Can you use your own code to buy evals? No, Lonnie, you cannot. Now we just gotta wait till those evals activate, and then I'm gonna it might take me a little bit of time to figure out how to set up to do the copy trading on because I've never on this account manager. All right, let's disconnect. If I slam max contracts on evals, usually no, not max contracts, but I'll definitely go a lot heavier than normal. Okay, why can I not reconnect? Okay, here we go. All right. Really? Oh my God. Okay, I think this is how it's supposed to work. Hang on. Having some technical difficulties here. All right. Now let's just see. Oh, does this all look like it makes sense? Yeah, we can just hide this. All right, supposedly this works. I've never done it before, but let's give it a shot. This should be our parent account, and these are the follower accounts. So we should be trading 3 evals. Let's see what happens. Now we gotta wait. Oh. And I think I'm gonna go with 4 contracts for this for now. What's this? What trade copier? This is the affordable indicators trade copier that basically the account management tab that I use also has a built-in trade copier that I don't really use, but I've always been kind of interested in trying it out. So that's what we're doing. We're going to try it out. Rookie numbers? Oh, trust me. Yeah, I think we've done our share, okay? We have done our share, that's for sure. All right. Here is kind of the moment of truth. This would be a perfect short entry. I'm going to give it a shot. If we get filled. Really? We're not going to get filled? Okay. Oh my gosh. I mean, a little bit, like the fact that we didn't make new lows here, we could see this make a move higher. Looking at the daily chart, I don't know. Hourly. Kind of feel like we're going to keep going lower. That's what we're going to play it as. All right. No, our stop is not going to be there. Basically, our stop will be like somewhere right here. This is typical. This is one of them days where whatever move you make, it's immediately wrong. Hey, the trade copper's working. Oh man, that is, you see, this gives me anxiety even with an eval. There's just so much red. So much red. And it adds up so fast. Especially with 4 contracts. Can you imagine trading PAs like this? Oof. Give me heartburn. And then trading PAs like this with 20 accounts. If we get above the GMA and we get above the 63s here, we're going to have some pain. We are going to have pain. And we already have pain. Well, we might have to kill this one. The bloodbath continues. We can't do anything right today. All day RM trades. That's we made it. Probably would have been smarter to scale in here instead of going 4 contracts right away. Really need this candle to close lower if we have any hope. Doesn't look good. This thing's just gonna rip higher. You copied 20 PAs, 5 contracts, didn't hold it, Fisterify. That's crazy. That's crazy. I used to trade, copy trade all 20 accounts, but that was with micros. That was bad enough. That was bad enough. All right, we need this thing to flush right here. Got to rip lower. Cannot have this thing just bounce right now. If it does, this thing's going to stop us out. We're going to be down about, we're going to be down to about $1,200 of drawdown real quickly. Oh man, it's tempting here just to kill it. Yeah. I'm going to hold it. If I've ever watched Trading Geek, I don't think so. Got to get below the 55s right here. Come on. Rip it. No way, Trader's Chick. You did max contracts on 20 evals. Holy cow. I mean, that's impressive. Go big or go home, like they say, right? Go big or go home. Okay, this is where it's like, do I just salvage this and just get out? Can't have this thing closing here above. It's gonna rip. As long as we close below, then I'm okay. Rip it right here. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna take some off if I can. I definitely don't really like this trade. I'd prefer to be long, and right here would probably be my entry. It's probably not even going to let me out. Dang it. Hit the old reverse button. I'm going to regret this, not just taking that for a break even. Now I'm kind of committed. I'm so close to doing the reverse. And there it goes. It's only an eval. As long as we, I mean, if it's gonna hit my stop, it is what it is. Still got a chance here that this thing could roll over, but I would have preferred to be long, like especially on this move, which probably means I should kill this trade, but it's giving me just enough hope to hang on. You never know. And here's the inevitable. We are going to lose, what, half of our drawdown here? Well, we got ourselves then a situation. Hey, maybe, maybe not. Give me hope. I guess we just wait. This thing isn't really doing much. We watch and wait. I'm not used to watching this screen. I'm used to watching this screen. Yeah, this price action is ugh. Definitely nothing. All right, here we go. This is it. I knew it was gonna do it. Oh. Hey. All right, what do we got? 900. Ooh, this is gonna be tough. I guess we're just, I don't know. Are we really just gonna do a V-shaped reversal again? Buy some more evals. Hey, we're not quite dead yet. Watch this thing rotate lower now. That'd be perfect. It's one of them days. It is one of them days, which is totally fine. Just gonna keep going higher, huh? There will be a huge move either side. It definitely could. Bitcoin going to 100K. Tater trade, I have no idea. My best deal that I can get if he was to scale in, scale out. Yeah, you can definitely do that. It can help. Hey, Banana Stacker, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, well, it's lunchtime hour, or very close to lunchtime hour. But this is just your standard V-shaped reversal move from NQ. Fine, we're gonna try and get a scalp here. We're just gonna keep going higher. Now we're probably gonna roll over, and then I'll call it a day. I'll go out and play in traffic. Sounds a little more fun. I'm actually gonna laugh if this thing rolls over. Come on down. Mhm. Hmm. Get some boner candle here. Come on. What? Come on. Oh, market. You know what? Just, geez, what is this? Is so. I am over it. I am over it. I don't even want to trade the rest. I don't even want to keep trading now. I just want to go. I want to go take a nap. Ay, ay, ay. This is ugly. Ugly. It's one of them days where everything you touch goes bad. I hate when that happens. It's always, and it seems like when that starts happening, it's like usually the start of a trading slump, I've noticed. So we gotta just chill, not do anything crazy, and not just not, there's no need to make things worse. All right, boner candles, let's go. We're gonna ride this baby. We didn't go through all this pain and suffering for nothing. We want it all. Hey, Mr. Push Up, you're tilted. Join the gang. Come right on in. Man, one tilted session needs another one. Because that's where I'm at. I'm not even like tilted. I'm just angry. Is there a difference? Is there a difference? Because I just want to squoosh something. I want to take, I need to do something with my hands. Like I need to punch something. No market. I am not happy with this move. This is pathetic. Okay. This is no celebration at all. Doesn't make up for what happened in the past. Don't even get me started. Hey, has anything in my mindset changed now that you reached payout, Mr. Pushup? Yeah, that's a great question. Yeah, it has. It definitely has. Like, now that I've reached payout, I feel way less pressure, just overall. Like, in my trading as a whole, I feel way less pressure. And just, even if I have bad days like today, which I'm having, it doesn't feel, it feels different than what it felt in the past. Like, I'm frustrated. I still get frustrated. I still, go on tilt maybe. But at the end of the day, I'm like able to put things in perspective a lot easier and a lot faster. Where in the past, it's like, oh my gosh, like it just felt like it was like it was way more frustrating than it is now. Come on, pull back here. Please come pull back to like the EMA again, and I will add 2 more. Bring it on. Come on. Do it. I should put a punching bag. Yeah, that's what I need. I just need to release some frustration sometimes, right? Seems kind of it is what it is. The markets just have a way. Some days the markets have a way of just really pushing your buttons. I think everybody has experienced it, and when those days come, it's just man, it did not pull back enough that I could have added there, unfortunately. Hey, Smoke goes push up selfie harness that hang on for. Yes, it is Banana Stacker. Oh, this is just gonna be. Oh, oh. Mr. Push Up, I hear you. I hear you, man. You keep flying too close to the sun. All right, are we gonna get above the 80s here? We got to get above the 80s. I'd love to get it like if we can get up to the 600s would be like ideal. Yeah, we might be going in a range. I kind of hope we pull back a little bit more here. If we do, I'll add 2 contracts here. All right, I'm going to add 1. uh, Okay, is this going to roll over here, or are we going to keep this channel intact? Right here is going to be kind of the key, the 560s. I'm willing to take the risk. Oh boy. You just logged in and see all red. It's a bloodbath today. We're trading evals. It's all good. It's all good. But yeah, not a great day of trading, that's for sure. Should have added a contract right here on the 60s. I didn't pull the trigger. Oh well. We're just gonna wait. Yeah, I'm just trying the 1-day pass. I had a bad session this morning. Terrible session trading. We lost one funded account today. Lost one of the funded accounts that we've taken a payout on, so switched to trading evals. Not going that much better on the evals. Mama said there are going to be days like this. No, tomorrow is the last day of the 1-day pass. Tomorrow. Now, if this retraces again, that's definitely not going to be good. Mama said. That's right. Mama said there'll be days like this. She just didn't say there'd be so many of them. Bulls seem to be getting tired. If I use a price line on your charts, not really, no. I want to check the weather. Do us a favor and cut the trade. I mean, I'm kind of vested. I like it. I like the trade. I think we're going higher. I like it. If I'm wrong, I'll be fine. And I might be wrong. I'm just saying. You're short, up, down. Hey, you should be in good shape then. The way my day's going, if you're short right now, you might be on the right side of this. Again, you might also not be, I guess. I don't know. All right, let me see. I'm going to take one off right here. Take one off, and then I can re-add. If we pull back again, I'll re-add. But these two contracts, I'm going to target the 600. That's what I'm going to target. And then basically, if we pull back again, I'll just add one, and I'll just kind of trade the range on 2 contracts, and then the other 2, I'm going to look for a move to the 600s, but we'll see. What is my daily stop? My stop is, around 600, 700. Excuse me. Usually my profit goals are around, it depends. If the funded accounts are fresh, I have a little bit bigger target, but as they get above maybe 1500, something like that, then I will usually around $100 to $200 a day. What has the market taught us? It only goes up. I learned my lesson again this morning. Nice, Orlando. Nice. But yeah, I do have a pretty large stop loss, which today definitely didn't help me any. All right, we might look to add here. Come on. Hey, you blew up an account today? Well, I did as well. We lost a funded account today. Rip. Rest in peace. She's gone. But it was one we've already gotten a payout from, so we take some comfort in that. I missed my opportunity here to add right here. Didn't quite make it to the 60s, but we're going to be in this trade for a while the way it's looking. And I need to leave actually around 1 o'clock. So I don't think we'll be in that trade that long. Up, down, left, right don't feel so bad now. Yep. Hey, if you start buying 20 accounts at a time, trading 20 accounts with a trade cop, man, I tell you what, you can go through evals in a hurry. Oh, okay, here we go. Let's be careful here not to add if we're going to keep going down. And we'll take off the one contract again. We're just going to keep doing that. Sorry, I was muted. Thank you, PK. Come on, pull back a little bit more here, and then we can add another one. Come on. It's nap time. Yeah, it is actually. Today's one of those days where I just want to go. Actually, today'd be a great day to go golfing, but I can't because the weather is terrible. Every time you enter, it goes wrong. That's been me today. That has been me in a nutshell. Every entry, just boom, immediately wrong. All right, let's see. Come on. Hey, if I ever come to Canada, I'll go golfing. I will do. You got one question and it's serious. If I'm listening, I'm not I can't listen, but I can look at it. Yeah, PK, if you had $1 for every time I was muted, yeah, you would be rich. Do I watch other time frames? Yes, I do. I'm not sure why that was such a dramatic question. Do you watch other time frames? K Trader. Oh, K Trader has 100 points now. What? Drink every time Nutty mutes on accident. True. Yeah, you can trade all. There's no way because higher ones are bullish, lower ones are bearish, causing chop. There is actually a way, Timothy Chapo. You need to chill out. You've only earned 1 point today? What? No way. You had 99 points before? I don't think that's true. Okay, now we're getting close where we can add again. Hey, there's Dylan Gaines. There's Dylan Gaines. Completely disappeared. As soon as I have a red day, boom, he shows up. Typical troll you are. You love to see it. Hey, good morning. Good morning, D Versatility. How we doing? Hey, it's true, Dylan. You did get 30K in payouts in a month. You disappeared, didn't hear a word, didn't hear a sound. Have a red day, boom, there he is. If that isn't the description of a troll, then I don't know what is. You've been off YouTube for 2 months? Interesting. I remember seeing you on Methodical stream. Whoever knows who Matty Cash is, I have no idea who that is. Man, something is moving the market now. Yeah, little big bear. Very funny. I'm having a bad day, so my fuse is pretty short for bands, so just be careful. Just be careful. Yeah, see, like the horse gang is always lurking and trolling, just waiting. Still find it just very funny that these guys absolutely hilarious. Ask him for proof of a payout and they get violent and just completely lose everything. Oh man, I'm gonna hang into it. We're hanging on. We need to get above the 580s here. You are my favorite person to talk to on YouTube. You know, okay. All right, we'll go with that. We'll just go with that. Yeah, I exactly, Trader's Chick. That is exactly what happens. It's exactly what happens. And then if you have green days, whatever, payouts, it's weird. They just disappeared. They weren't on YouTube for months and months. All right, gotta get above the 80s here. Have any chance? You know what, Dylan Gaines? Why don't you go back and go back and pet your horses? Bunch of fraudsters. Come on, got to get above the 75, 80s here. I don't want to see another pullback here. If we can't get it, then the smart thing to do would be to just Okay, here we go. Come on. Get above it. Rip it. Don't give up now. Come on. Oh, yeah, banana stagger. That is true. We definitely have red days, or I feel like the red days does do a couple things. They keep us humble and they keep it real. Not that I like red days by any stretch of the imagination, but they are part of trading. They are 100% part of trading. So we just got to learn how to deal with it, which isn't always easy. Gosh, I'm about to just take my profit here. Just can't get above the 80s. If it pulls back, then we'll just have to enter again. Haha, Bartholomew, look at that. Another one of the horse traders who I'm calling a fraud. You know what, Bartholomew? You know exactly what I'm talking about. I came into your Discord and asked a simple question. You guys were bragging about 100,000, 200,000, $1 million trades, and I asked for a simple verification, and you guys cursed me out, called me all kinds of names for that. Yeah. Yeah, you guys are, you have your own little gang. You got your own little gang, and then, you know, go pet your horses. Is there a reason almost every streamer doesn't use Ninja Trader with Rhythmic? I use Ninja Trader with Rhythmic. The ban hammers in full effect. These horse traders are the biggest joke I've ever seen. Zero proof of profitability other than screenshots of accounts that you have no idea if they're eval accounts, sim accounts. No clue. What are horse traders? Oh, they have their own precious little Discord channel. And yeah, they got their own little echo chamber. Well, now it looks like we're going to get above the 80s. Dang it. I was hoping we'd pull back a little bit more. Why is Trade-Evade so popular? I don't know. I don't know why people would use Trade-Evade over Rhythmic with Apex, because it's more expensive. The web, I mean, yeah, it's exactly my thoughts. Up, down, left, right. I don't know. Little Big Bear. That's funny. Yeah, Ninja does allow multiple connections, but only one from Rhythmic. I guess that would be one reason why you would switch, or why you would have some accounts that are Trade-Evade, but yeah. You use both, yeah. The UI is better. Okay, yeah, the UI, like to track your drawdown and stuff. That is probably one thing that Trade-Evade definitely. Yeah, that's true. Trade-Evade does have a little bit lower commissions as well. So yeah, I guess there's definitely some benefits to it. I guess to each their own. Man, there we go, breaking out. Should have been a little more patient. Yeah, the Trade-Evade also is mobile. True. Yeah, closed it a little bit early. I mean, I don't know. It's fine. It was kind of struggling to get through the 80s. Didn't want to see this pull all the way back again. I do think there's a pretty good chance that we test the 600s again. But I guess we'll see. If I'm in a position right now, nope, I am not. If I use a stop loss for my trades, yes, I do. Pretty large, pretty wide stop loss, but I do use one. We can pull back to like the 75s now. This time I'm going to... Yeah, here's my... 75s is where I'd like to enter. Man. Do they have Ninja Trader Mobile, Neo? I don't I don't think so. All right, not that I know of. We need to pay Discord. I don't know. I'm not I've seen some of the stuff that Apex had, or not Apex. I've seen some of the stuff that Alpine has to deal with his Discord, and I'm just like, I don't want to deal with some of that stuff. But hey, Black Coffee's back in the house. Did I get paid by Apex on this last round? I have not. I'm assuming I am expecting for the funds to hit my bank account tomorrow. All right. I want to wait. I want to see I might pull the trigger here a little bit prematurely, but We're going to go for it. Maybe should have been a little more patient. This thing's going to... If it does continue like it's been doing all day, this will rip against me. It'll first rip against me. Yeah, this thing's gonna want to... What copier this is? This is the... I'm kind of testing it out for the first time. This is the affordable indicators. The account dashboard, they have a trade copier feature that I've never really used before. So I'm using it for the first time on some evals just to test it out. So far, so good, I guess. Oh, you did? Camber trades? You use it as well? Nice. Yeah, I watched the videos and stuff on it, kind of how it works and everything, and I thought, hey, it sounded good. Why not try it? So, wanted to try it on some, looks like we're rolling over now. Again. Oh, this never fails. We're just going to have to hang on. But yeah, I was watching the video and I thought, you might as well try it. I wanted to try it with some evals. How have you been liking it, Camber trades? The risk management aspect of the copy where you can prevent yourself from moving. Yeah, I saw that too. That's pretty cool. There was another one that you could do that on, which kind of didn't really like so much. I haven't tested it on this one yet, but I think it's a pretty cool feature. What's my strategy? I mean, I have discretionary. I do discretionary trading, which means I trade what I see, which sometimes isn't exactly great. But usually my goal is I want to see a trend and then I buy the pullbacks on the trend, and that's as simple as that. Hey Travis, how are the new clubs are? Doing pretty good. I've golfed I did 18 holes and 9 holes. So what is that? Whatever that is. That's the amount of golfing I've been able to do with him so far. We haven't had that good of weather here in Ohio, so haven't been able to golf as much as I'd like, but I really like the clubs. I really like it. What's my win rate? I mean, it depends what kind of ATM strategy I use. It depends, but if I'm using my scalping, which is 13 ticks, I think in the last 3 months, I think it's like 82% or something like that. But again, don't copy my trades, okay? I'm not a teacher. I'm not teaching you how to trade. Watch me and take note of what I'm doing wrong. That's what you should learn. Don't take anything more than that. All right, if we can't get it going here, gotta get a big boner candle here. Bro, what's your risk to reward? Hang on. Let me move it down further. All the R2R people. I want to freak them out. What are you doing? How? That's not possible. The more you say don't copy me, it seems like it encourages people to copy me. Well, then they're just stupid. If they see me having red days and they keep copying me, then, I mean, What more do you want? I guess that's on them, not on me. Well, this trade is definitely not looking so hot. Still no reason to bail, but it's not looking too good. I was hoping we'd see this move here was, we should have tried to make new highs. You don't understand this new trade. This is not a solid trend, so the pullback is probably a fake. Max D, I mean, again, if you think that, then I hope you didn't take the trade. Just so you guys understand, you guys trying to tell me how to trade is not a great idea on your guys' part. So, I mean, if you want to do it, I guess go for it. But then if you later tell me, ha ha ha, LOL, I told you, you know what will happen? You'll just disappear. I will make you disappear. You will never be seen again on my channel because you'll be banned. Okay? Which is fine with me. But just so you know, those are the ramifications. Cause and effect. Everything is a learning. I'm edgy today. That's right. I am. I don't even deny it. I am edgy. Every trade I take goes against me, and the ban hammer is in full effect. No one is safe. I mean, it would be a shame if something happened to me. Oh, dear. Stores. Why are you yelling? I need you to use your indoor voice, stores, okay? If you can't do that. I don't know why people keep asking, what are my strategies and what are my setups? Why does it matter? I mean, I said multiple times, it's discretionary. You're trying to get 3 apex to the payout by the 5th? Hey, good luck. Exactly. That's right, trading with Travis. We did do that. UK future, my wife must suffer. No, I take out my anger on chat. After stream, I feel great. That's my approach. I make chat suffer. Yeah, you'll have 17 people giving you different advice, and then everyone will be right. Is the bottom gonna fall out here? We shall see. It's definitely just, I think it's the lunchtime. We're just seeing this thing kind of, volume is really low. You have a Daryl Martin doll. That's what I need, UK futures trader. Excuse me. I need a boxing. I need like a punching bag, and then I'll put Daryl Martin's face on it. Have a bad day. I'm not sure if that would be frowned upon or not, but I kind of like the idea. You were lashing out at everyone. You lost 1K, David. Yeah, I hear you. No, I try to stay relatively calm, but there's days where it's just, you know, hey, you got bad days, right? You have a Daryl poster on your bedroom wall. I'm not sure how to take that. Just slowly bleeding lower now. uh 20% don't matter if you blow the threshold out of 20% rule. Where does it show? Right above me. Right here. Patrick wheeling on the hood of your truck. I think you need to redecorate, Travis. Wait, am I still here? Am I having internet issues again? Oh dear. Uh-oh. We just had a big red bar. Uh-oh. That's never good. Let me look. Stream is attempting to reconnect. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm getting I got issues here. It says stream quality is terrible. And my bit rates are terrible. Can you guys hear me? I don't know what's going on with my internet, but we got issues with the trade and we got issues with the internet. So both of them are going down at the same time. And no, I have Starlink. I don't know, Starlink's just been acting up a lot more lately. Oh dear. Well, we're back down to the drawdown that we were at before this trade right here. Feels bad. Okay, I'm back. All right, we didn't lose me yet. We're still alive. Oh, hey, you know what? Today's one of them days. Might as well just be, let's blow these accounts, and then I'm going to end the trading day, and then I'm going to get one of those white lights that is in, what movie is that? There's a movie I'm thinking about where it flashes a white light and you immediately just forget everything that happened today. It just magically makes you forget everything. We'll just use one of those and everything will be fine. We need this thing to hold. This right here, the 65s, this got to hold. If not, it's probably gonna test. And I guess it could test the 55s again. I'm kind of hoping it doesn't. Yes, Men in Black. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I need the Men in Black. Oh, what happened today? I don't even remember. Just magically forgot. Okay, moment of truth. Black in Men sounds right. Uh-oh. This not holding currently. We don't have that much drawdown left, folks. It might be about time to get ready to line up. You don't know how my eval is still alive. Same. This is a funded account? No, it is not. This is an eval. To be precise, it's 3 evals, but well, this is our last resort right here. This 55, 58 gotta hold or we will be out of here. Which hardware I have? I have Omada that I use for my whole house internet is what I use, but well, I guess we're gonna blow 3. I guess blowing 3 evals is probably better than blowing a lot more funded accounts. So there it is, folks. It's that kind of day. Everything is red. Everything is red. Okay, folks. Men in red. GG's. GG's in the chat. Now I just want this thing to keep selling off. Don't bounce. Don't bounce here and make things worse. Just keep going lower. All right, everybody. It's one of them days. It's one of them days. I am done for the day. I have no desire. The market has won today. I will give that. The market has won. We fought and we lost. We will call it a day. Yeah, this is why we traded evals. This is exactly why. And I'm just glad we turned off trading for all the other accounts. We cannot do those any harm today. All the PAs, well, except the one we lost this morning. The rest of the PAs, everything's safe. Everything's fine. All right, everybody, I am out. I'm going to try to make sure that I do a recap video tonight. I completely couldn't do one yesterday. It was crazy. So I'm going to try and make sure I do that and catch up tonight on that. But all right, everybody, take care. Appreciate every one of you. And we will be back tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be a better day. Take care and God bless.